Hey, so what's going on, guys? Today we are playing Side-2, which is 17. And as you can see here, my favorite one, Summer. I love Summer. You guys know the Summer movie trailer, don't you? I don't have to clarify it. I don't even know what clarify is. I think it means go over it again. Guys, comment down below what it actually means. If I'm right, comment down yes. Comment down below yes. But yeah, it's a really good game. Guys should check it out. And guys, if you guys want to do what I need to do, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, guys. I really don't. Yay. So that's how the game is. I almost jumped over 25 obstacles. Cool. What is this advert? Okay, so I had to skip the advert for your guys' health and safety. It's just because of what I didn't want you guys to see that footage of anything. Oh, all I was doing was watching the advert. Oh, come on. It's just that I hate adverts and I hate wasting people's time. And I'm sorry for wasting your time. But, you know, you guys know the drill. You guys know the drill, bro. Come on. I need more rings. Thank you for giving me rings, guys. Rings matter the most, guys. I'm telling you. I really am. Dude, I'm good at this, guys, but if you enjoy this game as well as me playing it as much as I do, comment down below. And if you guys want me to play again, just like the video. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Once this episode is done, I'll show off Knuckles in about now because Knuckles has a special ability. So this is the party time. It destroys any nearby robots. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so look at that. I'm gonna claim prize and I'm gonna claim that prize, guys. I'm so excited to do this. Okay. And we're going to play again, just in case you guys didn't know that I'm determined to actually get the whole entire room. I play this game for a day or two straight. I don't think I've had this game for too long. But yeah. Coming together. Guys, the pieces are coming together for this. Sounds right now. No, this way. Wait, I think that was Eggman's loud. I just scared. Guys. Very much. How did I even hit that thing? Okay. Okay, so we're back in action. Okay. Cool. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing? What we're going to be doing is